With 4th of July this weekend, there's a way to stand up for the Constitution by taking part in a Freedom March.
Tor Dietrich is the founder of the 4th of July Freedom March, and he joins us right now from Los Angeles. Good morning to you, Tor.
Hi, how you guys doing?
We're doing great. This 4th of July weekend, hundreds of thousands of Americans will go out to their local parade to celebrate Independence Day. And what would you like people to do as the last float or the last formation of Cub Scouts goes walking down your main street? What would you like to do to have your people do right after that?
Well, you know what, Steve? Right at the end of the parade, I want to invite people to stand up for the Constitution and march for freedom. It's super simple. Just grab your kids, grab a flag, stand up and walk. And it's at the end of the parade. And you know, it's not illegal, it's not improper. You are on public streets and you are exercising your First Amendment rights to stand up for the Constitution.
Mm-hmm. I know you're a small business owner. You were deeply concerned about the direction of the country, and then you came up with this idea. So far, what's been the reaction from people across the country?
Absolutely huge. I've heard, you know, it's really heartwarming. I hear from people from all over the nation. In fact, some candidates have even contacted me. Milton Gordon in Louisiana, he doesn't have a parade in his area in Alexandria. They're putting together their own Freedom March. It's quite unbelievable.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I was on your website last night, and if people would like to link up to it, go to our website, foxandfriends.com. And here's a map we put together, and the red dots are municipalities and localities that are having parades. Of course, many, many more are as well. And I know that you would like to hear from other people so that you can put dots on their towns as well. Tor, would you like to see people make signs and hold those up, or do you just want them to simply fall in line behind the end of the parade?
You know, Steve, I think it's really up to the folks. If they want to make more of a statement, they're welcome to make signs. But, you know, I think one of the most important things is let's educate our children. Mm-hmm. Let's take advantage of this opportunity to get our kids involved, because I think that's part of the reason we're in the bigger situation that we're in. You know, our kids are our future. They need to learn the freedoms that are ensured through our Constitution.
Exactly, so they don't grow up just taking it all for granted. Tor Dietrich, founder of the July 4th Freedom March. What a great idea. Thanks for being our guest.
Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate your time.
I think I'd like to do it, and I'd like to throw candy. Just like they always do.
That's another good way to get the kids out there.
Exactly.
Well,
right.
Moments ago, Hurricane Al